hockey locker room items if they were Fortnite rarities. First up, we got clear tape, and I think this would be uncommon. It's definitely not just floor loot. I mean, not everybody has it, but it's just super easy to get, green at best. Next, we got the massage gun, and this one's going to be legendary. If you're whipping out a massage gun, it's like having a gold scar. Everyone's going to be your best buddy. They all want to turn with the massage gun. It's just really rare, not something you see too often. Next, we got grip tape, and I think this is a rare item. Definitely more rare than some clear tape, but it's not like an epic item. Same thing for wax. I think it's on the same level as grip tape. Just a rare item. Skate stone's going to be epic. You got a little nick on the edge of your blades. This one comes in clutch. Food is a legendary item in the locker room. I'm not talking pretzels or gummy bears. I'm talking half a Jimmy John's sandwich or better. Every team's got that one kid that's bringing in Jimmy John's every practice. And sometimes they're not feeling it, so they auction half their sandwich off. And then the whole team hops on them like a pack of vultures. Definitely legendary. And then just white or black tape is a common item.